You'll go ahead and enter an address into here. You'll see addresses pop up. The one that you want to comp out, you'll go ahead and give that a click, and that'll start saving the property for you. Now you'll see that the property has been added to your comps. In order to get started on seeing what its value might be, you'll go ahead and go over to the right and click Comp. This opens a new window for you. And you'll see right here with the little house, that's the property that you'll be looking at comping out.